In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and add a new category in WordPress. Whether you're just starting out with your WordPress site or looking to improve its organization, categories are an essential tool. They help you group related posts together, making it easier for your readers to navigate through your content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and manage categories to keep your website tidy and user-friendly. And if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, click on the Login button at the top right of the page. Now, instead of manually entering your details, I recommend selecting the Continue with Google option as your login method. This is not only quick and easy, but also a secure way to log in, especially if you already have a Google account connected to WordPress. After clicking, you'll see a list of Google accounts. Choose the one linked to your WordPress site, or if needed, input your credentials when prompted. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage every aspect of your website. On the left-hand menu, look for the Posts section. Go ahead and click on it. Under Posts, you'll see an option labeled Categories. Click on that as well. This will open up the Categories Management page, where you can view all existing categories on your site. These are listed on the right-hand side of the screen. Reviewing this list is an important step, because categories are key to organizing your content. They function like folders, grouping similar posts together and making it easier for your readers to explore specific topics on your site. Now, let's add a new category. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll see a section labeled Add New Category. The first thing you'll need to do is fill in the name field. This is where you type the name of your new category. Make sure the name is descriptive and relevant to the type of content that will fall under it. For example, if your site is about cooking, you might name your category Desserts or Quick Recipes. Next, you'll notice an optional field called Parent Category. If you're creating a subcategory, this is where you can assign it to a parent category. For instance, if you're adding chocolate cakes, you might set cakes as its parent category. This helps establish a clear hierarchy, which is especially useful for websites with a lot of content. You'll also see an optional description field. Adding a description can provide context for other contributors or even for yourself when managing the site later. While this isn't required, it's a good practice to include a brief explanation of what the category is about. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, click on the Add New Category button. Your new category will now appear in the list on the right-hand side, alongside the other categories. Double-check to make sure everything looks correct. And that's it. Now you know how to add and manage categories in WordPress. Properly organizing your posts with categories can greatly improve the user experience on your site, making it easier for visitors to find the content they're looking for. If you have any questions or tips about using WordPress categories, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.